Hello everybody, Victoria Embankment along the river Thames, London. The left side. Behind me is the Temple Tube Station. Once you get out from Temple Tube Station, you cross the road and voila, the beautiful River Thames. I do not know the names of the skyscrapers, but we call that one pregnant skyscraper. Yes, and over there the London Eye, and in the far corner the Big Ben. Woo! Yeah. Boris Johnson survives, but he had 148 Tory MPs rebelling. He is in trouble. Woo! Helicopter! There you are. Nice helicopter. Where you going? Alright. See you later, people. Gorgeous London day, and you start seeing river cruises. Nice. And there it is, the Big Ben. Zoom. London. Yeah, the Big Ben. And the London Eye. Nice. Beautiful day in London with the sun shining right now. We are in the early afternoon. And if I turn here and look down the street, whoa, all the British flags. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. The British flags. And all the London red buses. Zoom, zoom. I don't know what the flags are for. I guess they are here because celebrating the Queen's Platinum Jubilee over the last weekend. I think so. Woo. London buses and flags. Standing right in front of the Strand Palace Hotel. Nope, I'm not staying there, just walking around Strand Palace Hotel. Enjoy! Right across the street, the Strand Palace Hotel, which frankly looks closed. Are they renovating it? I have no idea. Just walking by. Woo. Right here in London. The famous Savoy. Ah,